Hi everyone, welcome back to Black Cat Kitchen. I'm Daniela and today we're making bakery style chocolate chip muffins. There's nothing better than a beautiful tall chocolate chip muffin with coarse sugar sprinkled all over the top first thing in the morning. I'm making these for a bake sale at work, raising money for Macmillan Cancer Support. This recipe makes 12 regular size muffins or 6 jumbo muffins.
You'll find a list of ingredients and measurements in the description below. Into a mixing bowl, add 57 grams or 4 tablespoons of cooled melted butter, 66 milliliters or a quarter cup of vegetable oil, and 200 grams or 1 cup of granulated sugar. Whisk that until it all comes together. To our sugar mix, add 1 egg and 1 egg white, and 2 teaspoons or 9 grams of vanilla extract. Once that's all combined, add in 118 milliliters or half a cup of buttermilk. We're going to whisk that all together until it's a cohesive mix and set it aside. To a smaller bowl, add 220 grams or 1 3/4 cups of flour, 9 grams or 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 6 grams or 2 teaspoons of cornflour or cornstarch, and 3 grams or half a teaspoon of salt. Stir until all of the dry ingredients are combined. Add half of your dry mix to your wet ingredients. Stir that together until all of the flour has been absorbed into the wet mixture. Then add in 255 grams or 1 3/4 cups of mini chocolate chips. Give that a stir and then add in the rest of your dry ingredients, folding carefully not to overmix. A few lumps here is perfect.
The key to making these muffins rise up tall is letting your batter sit for at least 60 minutes or even overnight. This allows it to get nice and thick, and when it gets into the heat of the oven, it springs up and you get that gorgeous muffin top. Preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit.
Scoop your muffin mix into 12 lined muffin tins. You'll want to scoop your mix in so that it hits the top of the paper wrapper. Sprinkle the top of each of your muffins with some coarse sugar. This gives a delicious crunch when you're biting into your muffin.
You're going to bake your muffins at this temperature for 8 minutes. And then, without opening the oven, we're going to drop the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for a further 7 to 8 minutes, or 15 minutes if you're doing jumbo muffins.
When your muffins are beautiful and golden, they're ready.
Let your muffins cool for about 5 minutes before removing them from their trays. Grab a cup of coffee and enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. For more coffee house favorites, check out my chocolate oat squares here, or my Starbucks Copycat lemon poppy seed cake here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments, what's your favorite coffee house treat? See you in the next video.